Hydrojetting is the right call when your pipes are dealing with heavy buildup like grease, sludge, tree roots, or years of gunk that a regular snake just cannot fully clear, and it is especially recommended when you have recurring clogs in the same drain over and over again. Think of your pipes like a long straw that runs under your house, and over time stuff sticks to the inside walls of that straw just like gunk sticks inside a dirty water bottle you never wash. A regular drain snake is like poking a hole through the middle of that gunk so water can flow again, but all that sticky stuff stays stuck to the sides. Hydrojetting is different because it uses a hose that shoots super high pressure water in all directions, kind of like a tiny pressure washer inside your pipe, and it scrubs the entire inside wall clean instead of just poking a hole through the middle. This means the pipe actually gets restored closer to its original size instead of just having a narrow tunnel poked through blockage. Something most people do not know is that hydrojetting can also blast through small tree roots that have grown into older pipes, which is a very common hidden problem in homes built before the 1980s. If your drains are slow in more than one spot in the house at the same time, that is often a sign the main line needs jetting instead of just a simple snake. Oh. One big mistake people make is assuming hydrojetting is safe for every single pipe, but older or already cracked pipes, especially ones made of clay or older cast iron, can actually get damaged by the high pressure, so always ask for a camera inspection first. Another common misconception is thinking hydrojetting is a one-time forever fix, when really it is more like a deep clean, and pipes with root intrusion or major structural issues may still need repair or replacement eventually. People also forget to ask about pricing up front since costs can vary a lot depending on pipe length and severity, so always get a written estimate before the work begins. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobby Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.